Once in a playful town named Shapesville, there were three best friends named Circe, Squaro, and Triana. They lived in a magical room where everything mirrored their shapes. Circe, a round and jolly character, loved rolling around the room. One day, she said, "Let's find some things that look just like me." Together with her friends, they laughed and pointed to a bright yellow ball they often played with. "Oh, look," said Circe excitedly, "there's also a clock ticking on the wall and a lovely blue plate we use for meals. We're twins." Next, it was Squaro's turn. He was a sturdy and thoughtful shape. "I bet there are a few things here that resemble me," he pondered aloud. His friends joined him on a quest around the room. There, pressed on a table, was a square book filled with colorful tales. "Ah, the tales of our adventures," said Squaro fondly. When they peeked outside, the window framed the sky in a perfect square too. "What about this box where we keep all our treasures?" Squaro added with pride. Finally, with excitement in her eyes, Triana, the sharp and pointy shape of the trio, clapped her hands. "I know exactly what matches me," she chirped. The friends darted to the kitchen, where a delicious triangle-shaped pizza slice awaited. "That's me. Always love a good snack," she giggled. "Don't forget my hanger where I place my cape, and the road sign that guides us on our bike rides," Triana pointed out. The friends delighted in their discoveries, and with each other's help, they found joy in noticing the unique shapes that surrounded them. In Shapesville, every day was filled with fun games and little surprise discoveries, reminding everyone how special and unique they are in different ways.